Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Queen Nefertiti 33 channel. I am Tatiana. I'm here with some articles for us all. We'll be learning about age regression, and the reason why is because I feel like this happens to me, okay? It could happen to you or somebody that you know. So let's begin. Age regression is a psychological phenomenon where an individual reverts to a younger state of mind, often as a coping mechanism for stress or trauma. What is age regression once again? Age regression occurs when a person mentally and emotionally returns to an earlier stage of development, which I do sometimes. This can manifest as behaviors, thoughts, and emotions characteristics of a younger age, ranging from a few years younger to an infant-like state. Common regressive behaviors include thumb sucking, baby talk, or temper tantrums. Age regression can be voluntary, that means conscious, or involuntary, which is unconscious, and is often linked to stress, trauma, or a desire for comfort. Who? Causes of age regression. Number one, psychological defense mechanism. Sigma Food view age regression as an unconscious defense mechanism that help individuals cope with overwhelming stress or trauma. It allows the mind to retreat to a time when life felt safer and less complicated. True. I know some of you adults feel like this, okay? Number two, therapeutic tool. Some therapists use age regression in a controlled setting to help patients access repressed memories or emotions, facilitating healing from past trauma. And three, coping mechanism. Individuals may regress to childlike behaviors as a way to manage anxiety, fear, or distress, providing temporary relief from adult responsibilities and pressures. See? Types of age regression. 1. Voluntary age regression. This is a conscious choice to adopt younger behaviors, often used in therapeutical settings to explore past experiences or emotions. True, I do. Involuntary age regression. This occurs when conscious intent often triggered by stress or trauma, leading to a spontaneous return to childlike behaviors. True. Implications of age regression. While age regression can serve as a coping mechanism, it may also indicate underlying mental health issues, especially if it becomes persistent or interferes with daily functioning. Yeah, my doctor said it do shows up in my test results and stuff like that. Yes, it is important to differentiate between normal developmental regression in children and more concerning patterns in adults that may require support or treatment. In summary, age regression is a complex psychological phenomenon that can serve various functions, from coping with stress to facilitating therapeutical healing. Understanding its causes and manifestations can help individuals and professionals address its implication effectively. And who? So I'm gonna get on this one right here. There's just a little details on it. Okay. The title of the article now is Understanding Age Regression. Age regression, see, regression, going back, occurs when someone reverts to a younger state of mind. This retreat may be only a few years younger than the person's physical age. Yes, it could also be much younger, into early childhood or even infancy. People who practice age regression may begin showing juvenile behaviors like thumb sucking or whining. Others may refuse to engage in adult conversations and handle issues they are facing. True, age regression is sometimes used in psychology and hypnotherapy. It can also be used as a self-help tool or something close someone does to reduce stress. Keep reading to find out what age regression may be used and what it may achieve. What is age regression? Sigmund Freud believed age regression was an unconscious defense mechanism. It was a way the ego could protect itself from trauma, stress, or anger. Still, other psychologists think of age regression as a way for people to achieve a therapeutic goal. It might be used to help a patient recall memories of trauma or painful events, which been happening to me lately. The therapist can then help their patient heal properly from those experiences. Psychiatrist Carl Jung believed age regression wasn't a means to escape anything. He believed age regression could be a positive experience. It could be used to help people feel younger, less stressed, and more open. With all the different theories for age regression, several types exist. Okay? So, types of age regression. Each of the age regression types share two common elements. One, people who regress revert to a younger state of mind than their physical age. The length of years varies from type to type and person to person. When I think of this and I think of my situation, I think of what somebody told me Enoch, the Fresh Prince, in one of his videos. I think that's what goes on with me. It's not me. It's people around me that treat me like a baby type shit. You get that? Okay. Age regression is in no way sexual. Yeah, but I don't want to be. I don't want to feel like a baby. I want to feel like I'm grown. You know what I'm saying? So, as a symptom, age regression may be the result of a medical or psychiatric issue. For example, some individuals experiencing significant distress or pain may revert to childlike behavior as a means to cope with anxiety or fear. True, okay? And I don't really be doing that to people like, you acting like a kid. Stay in a kid place. You a girl. Like, no the fuck I ain't. But anyways, certain mental health issues make age regression more likely. Age regression could be a symptom of one of these conditions, which I have all of this, okay? Schizophrenia, dissociative identity disorder, true. Schizoaffective disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, which is PTSD, major depressive disorder, dementia, and borderline personality disorder. Age regression may occur in personality disorders when people come face to face with distressing memories or triggers. True, in this case, the age regression may be spontaneous. What's more, some individuals may begin to revert to a younger age as they grow older. True, like me. This can be this what they say though. This what they tell me. This what it shows in my chart, okay? My spiritual chart, okay? I mean, yeah, they look at your spirituality too, okay? But in my physical body, when they do that, they look at all the areas on the computer, okay? When you get tested or whatever. I'm older. I'm really more older than 29, but I have to say 29 because that's what my spirituality say. They say I'm 29 years young, okay? This could be a sign of dementia. It may also be a coping mechanism for worries about the impact of aging. Yes, clinical. Age regression can be used as a therapeutic technique. Some mental health professionals use hypnotherapy and age regression to help patients return to painful periods in their lives. True, like if you catch me playing with a Barbie doll, that's just what it is, okay? They want me to know something, okay? Once there, they can help them overcome the trauma and find healing. However, this practice is controversial. Some experts suggest it could be possible to uncover false memories. See, because I already told you this. I feel like a good spirit is on me, and it's a child type shit. Do that make sense? Okay. Plus, it's unclear how reliable the recovered memories are. Trauma recovery. People with a history of trauma may be more likely to regress. Food. In fact, age regression may be common in people who have been diagnosed with dissociative identity disorder, which is DID, which I do, a disorder formerly known as multiple personality disorders. True, all my personas, okay, that you see. People with this disorder frequently have a younger personality among the distinctive personalities. However, it's believed that the little may not be a separate personality. Instead, it may be a regressed version of the original personality. In other words, the person with did may be aware of everything, but they feel like they are a different age. True. They may talk like a child or begin behaving like one. In other instances, the little is entirely separate. In this case, age regression is a form of security against fear or insecurity. This type of age regression may be triggered by particular events or stressors. Self-help. For others, age regression may be intentional. Some individuals may select reverting to a younger state as a means to block out stress and worry. They can also revert to a younger age so they can avoid tough issues or personal problems. True. As a form of self help, age regression may help you revert to a time in your life when you felt loved, cared for, and secure. In that sense, this can be a positive experience. However, age regression may be a sign of a larger mental health issue. You should speak with a mental health care provider about this practice. They can help you learn how to lose it safely. They can also evaluate your experiences to determine if a different type of treatment is needed. Okay? And last one, recreational age regression. Age regression is never considered sexual. It's a type of defense mechanism that allows you to mentally escape to a different time in your life. I know a lot of older adults that do this. This like YouTube, people on YouTube, okay? This like something that a teenager would do, okay? Cause they mama take care of them, okay? Type shit, or they daddy take care of them. They on YouTube, okay? You're making videos. Yeah, that's something a kid would do. So everybody do it, okay? This is different from pretending to be younger. Indeed, some individuals portray themselves many years younger than they are as a part of a hobby, sexual fetish, or kink. Mine's just a hobby, okay? For example, some members of fandom communities may use costumes and portrayals to pretend to be younger and more naive. Who I do from time to time. Okay, people call me a girl, I'm finna act like a girl. This is not a real age regression. Is age regression safe? My bad. Okay, last one. There is no inherent risk in age regression. If you practice it as a form of self-help or relaxation, you may want to make sure you're in a safe place and around people who understand this technique. And my real friends and real family, they do. If, however, you find yourself reverting to a younger age without your control, you should seek help from a mental health professional. You may be showing symptoms of an underlying issue that needs to be addressed differently. Okay, and I just seen Frail on my phone. So 33, okay, 6, all them numbers could be significant. I know Frail is a good angel number, okay, and I remember. So that's all the information I have on the article of age regression. Hopefully this helps some of you others are out here, okay? Hope you enjoyed this article. Thank you. Peace and be safe.